everybody, James Clerk, Broker Century 21 Alton, Clerk, Fine Homes and Estates. Today I'm in Brookmore Estates, gated community, 1920 Branca Court. I got a treat for you. 4-bed, 3-bath, just over 2,700 square feet. The level of finishes in this home are second to none. Wait till you see the pool area. Kitchen is exquisite. Enough of me talking about it. Come on, let's go. What do you think of the indoor? It's fantastic. Doesn't stop there though. Lots of covered seating out here. Look at the seating options. Here's one. Here's number 2, and with a big screen TV. This is number 3. I'm not done yet. Number 4. This is number 4. This would be 5. This would be a good spot to like let the dog out, kind of just chillax, let them do their thing. No, I've lost count. I don't know how many this is, but I'm not doing it. I'm just not doing it. All right, all kidding aside, is this outdoor space not unbelievable? Tons of covered, uncovered seating, lighted. Wait till you see this place at nighttime. Pavers. The finishes here are absolutely exquisite. And as I mentioned earlier, this is a pool table. On top of that, not only do you get all the finishes that this home offers, but the location is just next level. You are close to everything. UCF 417, the public school system here is fantastic. The access to the private school system in this sector is absolutely fantastic. So what are you waiting for? Give me a call today. I'm gonna try to find my way into that chair. Call me.